Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Now we will start with project units. The first thing we will do at our project units. If we start with a wall and draw it, it will be its length will be with millimeter, like this. If we want to change it, we can go to ribbon bar, manage tab, project units, or press UN on keyboard and select and we will have this screen. We can change length, unit, and area, volume, angle, slope, currency, mass density, time, speed. We will go to length and press this button. We will have units here. It's millimeter. We can change it to any other one. We can use meter, and we can if we press OK, it will be by 1 meter only. We can select this rounding and make it 2 decimal places to make it like this. 1 meter plus 0.000. Like this. This is 3 meters. We can go to units also and edit units symbol, and if we press it, it will be like this, 3 meter. We can go to units project units and change the length. We can change units to decimal inches, like this, and we can change its symbol to N or 2 commas, like this. Okay, it will be like this. We can change it to the 2 decimal and make it N, like this. We can make it this decimal feet, like this. We can change its symbol to feet, like this. We can change units to feet and fractional inches, and make it rounding to nearest quarter inch, like this. We can go also to project units and change area and volume. We can make area square feet, like this. If we select this wall, we will have its area like this, and its volume by meter cube. We can go to manage project units, change it to cubic feet, like this. If we select this wall, we will have its volume by cubic feet. Also, we can change angle to any units we need, like degree and minutes, grades. We can change also slope. We can use any one of these. 1 to ratio to 12, ratio to 10, decimal degree, percentage, any one of these. We have also currency and mass density and time and speed. Okay, thank you. See you later. Bye.